moving to example 3, section 7.6, factor polynomial 3x squared minus 7x minus 6. Now we have two negatives. All right, let's begin by finding our factors of 3, our factors of negative 6. So we have 1 and 3. Now 6 is going to be 1, negative 6, or it could be negative 1, positive 6. And again, these could also be flipped. It could be negative 6, 1, or 6, negative 1. These are all the different combinations, just when the factors of 1 and 3. Okay? Now, I probably should write this to better help visualize it. 1 and 3, negative 1, 6. 1 and 3, negative 6, 1. 6 and 1. There. Okay. Now, looking at what my middle number is, it's a negative 7. I'm going to start with the bigger negative numbers first. So I'm going to try these two first and see if I get that negative 7. So let's start with this first one. Always start with your parentheses. Okay. 1 and 1. 1x plus 1. 3 and negative 6. 3x, negative 6. Okay. You can test the first and the last. You know, first is x times 3x, that's 3x squared. The last, L, 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. Those work. Really, we just need to look for the outside and the inside. The outside terms, negative 6 and x, multiplied together, are going to give us a negative 6x. The inside terms, 3x times 1, gives us a positive 3x. This gives us negative 3x. Which is not negative 7x. So this one's no good. All right, I'm going to try this next one down here first, see if that one will work. 1 and negative 6, 1x minus 6. 3 and 1, 3x minus 1. Okay, I can look at this immediately and I know it's not going to work. Because I'm going to have this negative 6 times 3x. That's a negative 18x. That's way too big to get negative 7, because the other one is x times negative 1, negative 1x. So that one definitely is not right. Okay, so my theory of having a larger negative number apparently doesn't work. That's okay, we all learn. Let's do this second one here. 1 and negative 1, so 1x minus 1. 3 and 6, 3x minus 6. Take care of the outsides. X and negative 6, negative 6x. Take care of the inside. Negative 1 times 3x is minus 3x. That's not negative 7x, that's the negative 9x. All right, now let's try this one. 1 and 6, so 1x plus 6. 3 and negative 1, 3x minus 1. Come to the outside terms, negative 1 times x is negative x. 6 times 3x is 18x. Well, that definitely isn't the right answer. 17x. Oh, oh my goodness gracious. Well, that's a lot of trial and error, but we totally skipped factors of 6 also include 2 and 3. So factors of 3 is still 1, 3. But we could do 2, negative 3. Because 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Let's try that one and see if it works. Okay, 1 and 2, so 1x plus 2. 3, negative 3, 3x minus 3. Look at the outside numbers. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Inside numbers, 3x times 2 is a positive 6x. That equals 3x. Okay, that one's not correct. Let's go to another one. let's do negative 3 comma 2. Okay. So we're going to have 1 and negative 3, so that's x minus 3. 3 and 2, it's 3x plus 2. Okay. Outside, 2 times x is 2x. Negative 3 times 3x is negative 9x. Subtract, that gets negative 7x. Ah, finally, negative 7x. This is my correct factored form of that polynomial. That took me 6 tries. Ugh. I'm off my game. It's all right, lots of practice.